The Bachelor of Exercise and Sport Science entails learning about the human body or the basics of it, also how the body reacts with exercise and nutrition and how we are fueled by the nutrition during exercise, some analysis of scientific data and the muscle groups and how to test them as well. During the class I take my notes, I do my lecture, we usually have a lunch break and then we do a practical lecture as well, which is really enjoyable, and we get to put the lecture that we've learnt into practice. After that, we have a discussion and I usually finish class and head home. Some days I'll stay into the uni and go and do some study, or I'll study at home. When I'm finished my studies, I plan to move into physiotherapy. I want to gain a lot of knowledge from the public hospitals and move into private hospitals as well, and maybe someday even start my own practice.